Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our learning community. Today, we're diving into the world of human resource management, or HRM, and I'm here to guide you on how to study HR management effectively. So, let's get started. First things first, understanding the basics of HRM is crucial. HRM is all about managing people within an organization. It includes recruitment, training, performance management, and much more. To begin with, I recommend picking up a foundational textbook in HRM. This will provide you with a comprehensive overview and help you grasp the core concepts. Now, moving on to the practical side, case studies are your best friend. They offer real-world scenarios that help you apply theoretical knowledge. Websites like the Society for Human Resource Management provide plenty of resources and case studies. Make sure to analyze these cases critically, look at the solutions provided, and think about how you might handle the situation differently. Another effective method is to join online forums or groups related to HR. Being a part of such communities allows you to discuss topics, ask questions, and share resources with peers who are also studying HR. It's a great way to gain different perspectives and deepen your understanding. Furthermore, internships play a pivotal role in your HR learning journey. Try to secure an internship in an HR department. This hands-on experience is invaluable, as it allows you to understand the nuances of HR functions in a real-world setting. Plus, it's a great addition to your resume. In today's digital age, don't overlook the power of online courses. Platforms like Coursera and Udemy offer specialized courses in HR management that are designed by experts from top universities. These courses often come with interactive tools, quizzes, and peer interactions that make learning dynamic and engaging. Lastly, always keep yourself updated with the latest trends and changes in HR. The field of human resources is constantly evolving, and staying current can make a significant difference in your studies and future career. To wrap it up, studying HR management effectively requires a blend of theoretical knowledge and practical experience. Use textbooks for basics, case studies for application, online communities for interaction, internships for real-world exposure, and online courses for specialized learning. And that's a wrap on today's guide on how to study HR management. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more insightful content. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any updates from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.